Okay, this is my first review. I'm doing a review today on Pro Bike Tool bike wall hanger. There it is. That's what the box looks like when it comes. There it is on the wall. These you can adjust up and down slightly. If you push that in, it'll move wherever you need it. And as long as you find the stud, it just takes 2 screws. The top they want you to do, start with, is the top with the 2 holes is going to be the top side, and the 1 hole on the bottom of the bracket will be the bottom. So it's just find your stud, and which we did, found the stud. And here's the box. These are the screws they give you, which I personally don't recommend with plastic anchors, which to me doesn't work, doesn't hold. So what I'm going to be using, just to drill right into the stud, is my Power Pro screws. Just zip them right in. And I'm going with 2.5. And my favorite impact driver drill, which is really cool, the Rigid. It's battery powered, lasts a long time, and it is super powerful. It even has a light on the bottom. One of my favorite drills. Getting off topic, but just FYI. So you'll get a bracket that you see here, that you're going to put on the wall first. Then this piece, which you're just going to put on by lining up the holes. So you can have, let's see, there's 5 holes. So you can have it as really far out, away from the wall, or put it closer. It's pretty easy to do. And it just locks in place. Okay, so we're gonna do one more. Putting one down here and then put a second bike up above. So far, so good. Okay, so once you do your pilot holes, which you probably don't have to with these screws, but I always do, then you know you've hit the stud as well, because you can feel it. just drive them in. Just two, top and bottom. It's in there. So this is how it comes in the package. And then you can just flip them around like that. And again, these little push buttons, there's 3 positions. If you want to change the positions, just push it in and slide over and it'll pop wherever you need it. Which I'll probably do both sides. And the same with the top. This button's going to line up with one of the holes on the top. So you're going to push it in. Which you probably can't see the top, but I'll just feel for it because this is really up high. And then you'll hear it lock in. Because I can't see the top. There it is. Okay. And you've got 6 options there from the wall.